I've just checked out of the hotel. I'm on my way to work. Gosh, there's so much traffic. Always so much traffic. Anyway, I am on my way to work and I'm gonna be there until around about, I think around about 2ish, and then something very exciting. I'm driving up to my brother's house and I'm gonna go and see my brother and my brother-in-law, and I'm gonna be there until tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'm gonna drive back up home to the tune. I'm just not a morning person. If you've got any tips on how to become a morning person, I would love to hear them, because I am not. I am the epitome of what a morning person is not. So if you do have any tips, please leave them in the comments below, because I need to become a morning person more and get my together. I'm testing my locality, because somebody yesterday asked me for directions to a bar that is in Chelmsford, and I'd walked past it like twice before, so obviously was able to give them succinct directions there, so I felt like a local. And then I am now testing myself by not putting the sat-nav on to get to work and seeing if I get there. So fingers crossed that I do. Anyway, I'm going to put some music on. The boys of the NYPD choir still singing Galway Bay. Feed the world, let them know it's Christmas time. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. This next one is an underrated, I might say, some might say, but here we go, let's go.
Well, I'm feeling mighty fine, y'all. Got my music
On the radio, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming
to town.
The weather outside is frightful, but the fires are so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
We finally kiss goodnight. How I'll hate going out in the storm.
So I'm off to work, I'll see you in a few. Well, it is 3:30, I finished work and I am about to head on the road and drive to Kettering to see my brother and my brother-in-law, and I'm really excited because I've not seen them in a few weeks. They're busy renovating a house, so it'll be brilliant to see the updates to the house as well, and it's been such a good couple of days at work, like it's really spurred me on and motivated me, so let's go. It doesn't surprise me. Driving home for Christmas.
Oh, I can't wait to see those faces.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. Look at the sky, that is crazy. It's like a massive dark cloud and then bright behind it. I love it, I love it. Hi, can I have a medium eggnog latte, please?
Yes, sir.
I brought my own cup as well.
In a second. Eggnog latte.
Thank you.
No, thanks to you, sir.
Take care.
Have a good evening. Bye-bye.
I'm here, I've just arrived at my brother's house. And I'm going to take my specs off. Well, I put them back on, I just instantly got a headache. So I'm just packing up my belongings and I'm gonna head inside. Right, we're gonna look for a Chinese. Okay. I have too many Chinese. There's only one Chinese open and it's called Mayflower.
I think I've heard of that one. Do you fancy Chinese?
I don't mind.
I don't mind at all, you know.
I do.
I'm not bothered, so I won't have anything. What do people fancy?
Open the Prosecco. Got an Italian on the way and we're gonna order, we're gonna open the Prosecco. Cheers. Give me my pizza. I went for the ham and pineapple. It's a controversial choice, I know. But let me know in the comments whether you agree with pineapple and pizza, because I obviously do. We've had the food, we're all just winding down now. It's finally the weekend. We're gonna put something on Netflix and watch that. I think we're actually gonna watch Dumpling. I just can't believe how much progress the house has made. I've actually been filming every time I've come to visit, which is sort of once every couple of weeks. And just to see the progress each time is incredible. So I'm actually filming a separate video of the house renovation. So if you want to see that, give this video a thumbs up and let me know. I will probably post that in the new year because obviously Vlogmas is all encompassing. Tomorrow I'll be setting off pretty early and driving home. Then I don't really know if I've got any plans. I don't really have any plans tomorrow either, so we'll see what happens. Listen, all I'd want is, if you won 5 million, all I would want is 1 million.
1 million of the 5?
Yeah.
1 million of the 5? That's all you want?
Yeah.
Oh, bless you. Well, you don't need that much.
We've just finished watching Dumpling and I'm in bed now and it was so good. I'm gonna go to sleep. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe because, as always, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be launching my travel giveaway. So I will see you all in the morning, so take care and peace out.